You look like you're struggling with something. Means 뭔가 힘들어 보이는데. You look like you're struggling with something. Means何か困ってるみたいだな.
초등학교 4학년 딸아이가 돼 있습니다. 집에 가서 아이를 지켜야 되세요. 동호회 활동은 나중에 보면
Ano kaya ilalagay ko dyan? Yay! Meron na akong electric fan! Yay! May electric fan na ako!
It's just 16 days.
Okay, meron ako ay table. Pina-vlog ko. Saan na yung case niyan? Case ng phone. Sabi ko nakalimutan ko lang ilagay. Oo. Kasi binuksan mo kagabi, hindi naman maayos yung pagkabukas.
Guys, finally, maayos na yung bahay. Oh my God, I can finally say na it's getting into reality na talaga, as in, So, ayun, nakita nyo naman, maayos na siya. So, ang next naman, ang kailangan ko naman na pag-ipunan is dining table, Jura box para sa mga damit ko, kahit isa pang bookshelves. Tapos, para lang may mailagay ako dito sa part na to. Kasi, ano siya, open siya. Kahit bookshelf lang. Kung saan pwede kong itago yung or ilagay yung ibang mga gamit. For decoration, ganun. Tapos, kailangan ko pa ng mga organizer para ilagay ko yung iba kong stationery. Tapos, para mas maging neat pa to, itong makeup and skincare area ko. Oh my God! Tapos, mga gamit. Organizer for stationery para mailagay ko pa dito yung lagayan ko ng mga stickers, ng pens, and what. Kasi nakalagay lang siya dito sa baba. Diba, hindi pa siya maayos. So, ayun, kailangan ko pang bumili ng ganon, pag-iipunan ko pa siya. Hi! So, pupunta ako ng Dali to buy some groceries. And, kasi puro na yung delata. Diba? Tapos, gusto ni Mark ng ulam is adobo. So, let's buy some chicken. Kasi wala naman akong ref or cooler. And first time ko lumabas and maglakad dito sa bago kong place. So real. Medyo nakakapanibago pero feeling ko maganda tong exercise. Sa morning, pwede ako mag-exercise dito. Kahit walking lang or jogging. Maganda to. So let's grab some food and gulay and eggs.
Today is a sweet day, enjoying my time alone, playing my favorite music in my own paradise, waking up slowly in the morning with coffee in hand, looking out the window. The quiet cityscape brings peace to my heart. Today is a sweet day, enjoying my time alone, playing my favorite music in my own paradise. In the afternoon with my favorite book as I turn the pages, a note unfolds, this is my happiness. Today is a sweet day, enjoying my time alone,
Kitchen mo, may ulam
playing my favorite music in my own paradise. In the afternoon with my favorite book as I turn the pages,
I'm waiting for Mark.
a new unfolds, this is my happiness. Today is a sweet day, enjoying my time alone, playing my favorite music in my own paradise. At night with candlelight, the gently flickering flames warm my heart, giving me energy
Hi,
for
guys.
tomorrow.
Nag-vlog.
Today is a sweet
Dami tayong
day,
gagawin.
enjoying my
Marami
time
tayong
alone,
da.
playing my favorite music in my own paradise. As the sweet day comes to an end, my heart is
Kasi
full,
request ni Mark.
looking forward to
Aking one and
tomorrow.
only.
Another sweet day just for me.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. 오늘도 난 달린다. Yeah.
어제의 상처는 뒤로 남겨 오늘의 태양은 나를 깨워 비가 내려도 멈추지 않아 내 안에 불꽃은 지지 않아 넘어진 자리에서 웃어봐